Hello, welcome to the Learn Python challenges, and we're looking at challenge 1. Each lesson that we do will have 4 challenges, so this lesson will have challenges 1, 2, 3 and 4, and each challenge has 3 levels of difficulty that you can attack. You can either do bronze, which is the easiest version that covers the basics of the lesson, silver, which covers all the basics and some of the more advanced stuff, and then the gold, which is the advanced stuff from the lesson, often doing some extra research on your own. So let's get started at challenge 1 and let's show you the bronze. So there we go, challenge 3 bronze1.py. So first of all you need to create a py file, and when you run it using Python 3 in the bronze, all it needs to do is 2 things. First of all, it prints the nice to meet you app at the top there. It asks the user their name, so I'm going to put Bob, there we go. And then the bronze version, all it's got to do is give a nice greeting and say, nice to meet you, Bob. That's it for the bronze level challenge. So that's bronze for you. Let's have a look at the silver. So, Python 3, challenge 1, oops. Challenge 1 silver.py. Okay, so challenge 1, the next version up, the silver version, just a little bit more on this one because it is only challenge 1, so not too much of a challenge. On this one here, it's exactly the same, but what it does, if you notice, is it's cleared the screen before we've loaded it, and if we type my name, it'll say nice to meet you, Bob, and then when we finish the program, when we press enter, it will clear the screen again. So a little bit more difficult, same as the previous, but it clears the screen at the start of the program and it clears the screen at the end. So finally, let's have a go at the gold level challenges. Python 3 challenge 1 gold.py. So this version for challenge 1 again clears the screen, asks you your name, and this time, because users like me are quite lazy, when I type in my name Bob, what I want it to do when it says nice to meet you, Bob, is I want it to make sure that it capitalizes my name. And you can see that it's done there because I typed in lowercase Bob and it's capitalized the first letter of the name. So it says nice to meet you, Bob, and it's made it in capitals. There you go. So if you want to go at those challenges, all you've got to do is go to learnlearn.co.uk and then go to /Python, or just go straight to Learn, click on year 9 because I do it in my year 9 group, and click on Python, and it'll be lesson 1 of the challenges, and that'll be challenge 1. Okay, good luck.